Bwrdd! Ydych chi'n barod I wneud tyma bach o dawnsio gyda fi heddiw? Iawn. Okay, before we go, we've got a little bit of housekeeping to do first. So just have a little look around your space. Make sure you've got loads of room so you can stretch those arms all the way out to the side, front and back. Ochr gyda'r coesau hefyd, getting those legs in every direction without bumping into anyone or anything or breaking objects or yourself. Dyle popeth heddiw yn teimlo'n dda a neis corff chi. It should feel good for your bodies. If something doesn't feel good, you are perfectly welcome to do a small version of it or just leave it out. I won't be offended. In fact, if you do cool moves, I'm likely to copy them at some point anyway. Yeah. Os ydych chi eisiau shout out at unrhyw bryd, rhowch neges yn y chat. So you can have a shout out if you pop a message in the chat and let me know where you're dancing today. Oh, bore da Evie, Ysgol Pensenni. Hello Evie. A bore da I Ysgol y Banau, hyn ysgol fi. Ti'n dansio heddiw gyda ni. Bore da. Yeah, let's do some dancing. Okay, we're going to start today just by walking around this space or traveling in the best way for you. Just waking up our bodies, waking up our brains. Heddiw, pan dwi'n dweud E, when I say one, you're going to make a straight, sharp, spiky shape. Sharp peacock C. So as long as it's straight, I don't mind what kind of shape it is. As I'm going to die, when I say two, you're going to do a curved shape. So it's going to be something that's got curved lines, a little bit more like a circle. A bore da o Ruth a Beth and Aberhymni. Bore da Ruth a Beth. Yeah, so, cerdded yn gwmpas y stafell. Die. Something curved. Carry on. Yeah, now finish. E. Great. Okay, so back my Devlin. Making use of all the space you have, even if it's small like mine. E. Peacock. Something spiky. Great. Beth am teithio yn isel. Travelling low. And die. Diane, beth am teithio gyda llinellau peacock? Can you travel with spiky, straight lines? E. Beth am teithio gyda llinellau cyrliog?
Shake, Sonora.
Tyma bach o dŵr?
Shake it all the time. Work, Sonora.
Great.
Work your body line. Shake,
Bore yma, dyn ni'n mynd i wneud dawns newydd. Felly, pob tro mae'n dweud shake, dyn ni'n mynd i stiglo. Pan mae'n dweud jump, dyn ni'n mynd i neidio.
Jump with the line, shake your body and jump with the line. Jump with the line, shake your body and jump with the line. Jump with the line, shake your body and jump with the line. Jump with the line, shake your body and jump with the line.
Okay, just the right.
Shake, Sonora, shake your body line. Shake, Sonora, shake
now
it
walk.
all the time. Walk, Sonora, walk your body line.
Right.
Shake, Sonora, shake your body line. You can talk about cha-cha, Tango waltz or the rumba. She don't like dance, it's no title. Jump in the saddle, oh Lord, to the bridle. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Take them a breath, Aras. Am I die? Now, bigger.
Shake, shake, Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line.
Okay.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Sinora, she's a sensation, the reason for aviation. Fellas, you have to watch it. When she roll up, she bottom, she goes.
Jump and shake.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Put him back.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Good there.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time.
Work.
Work, 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 Sinora, work your body line. Shake, 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 Sinora, shake it all the time. Sinora dances calypso, right to left is the tempo. When she gets the sensation, she goes up in the air and comes down into motion. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Shake.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Good.
Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line. Jump in the line, shake your body and jump in the line.
Raise up a pedal. Shake your foot. Get Kevin. In our car. Get him.
Girl, I love it. Poor girl. Love me, mama. Come, love me, mama. Poor girl, I believe you.
Daar, jiggle maar. En zip hem back on door. Maar last we niet uit, je Burma. Daar, ja, oké. Aardig. Barry die neemt zip hem back. O, een mestyn. Mor fawr eich gallu bod. Ja. Set him down as tall as you can be. We're taking it lean.
This woman is my destiny. She said,
Keep getting it. Bigger.
Victims of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Helpless to
Even bigger.
We were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, you
Reach, reach.
keep your eyes on me.
Down.
Going back. She said,
Reach.
this woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, child destiny. A backless dress and some beat-up sneaks. My
Bell and this.
teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, you
Twist.
just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up.
Swipe. Whoosh. Whoosh.
She said, ooh, shut destiny.
Beth and Pete Poisa. Have balance. And reach. Down. And reach. Swap. In body.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding out. She said shut up and dance with me.
Hoister.
This woman is my
Touching the squiddy parts of your leg, not the knees.
Shut up and dance. Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said
Oh, super speedy.
this woman is my destiny. She said ooh.
Bell Sarah. Reach for your toes. And up. To your toes. And up. Bella Warren. Diane. Woo. Tipyn bach o ddŵr. Da iawn chi bore yma.
Grown alligator, see you later. Gonna hit the road.
Beth am cael coesenw yn symud tipyn bach mwy.
Changing
But get those legs going.
Architecture unfamiliar. I could get
Okay, keep voice that. Balance on one leg.
Time flies by in the yellow and green.
And the other way.
Around and you'll see what I mean.
Swap.
There's a mountain top.
You can hold on to something if you need.
You know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
With the arms if you
I'll be
want.
riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Beth am your upper.
South of the equator, navigator, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the
Get the
road.
break here.
A deep sea diving around the clock, bikini bottoms, lager tops. I could get used to this.
Beth am front.
Flies
Upper,
by in the
in it.
yellow and green, stick around
Front.
and you'll see what I
Upper.
mean.
In it.
There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming
Down
of.
Dublin. Get our break there.
Where I'll be.
Quick with the arms.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Can you hopscotch?
Two in
Hop.
the front,
Two.
two in the back,
Two.
singing along, and we don't look back.
Os ydych chi eisiau hefyd, gallwch chi wneud hynna. Hip jump. Neu os dwi'n teimlo fel we can make this a jump, yeah? If you're feeling good. Ready? We'll just do a little bit of sunshine arms until that music kicks in a bit now. Right, it's coming.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the
Diane chi.
feeling like
And together.
I'll be riding
Upper,
shotgun
seal.
underneath the hot
Upper, amen.
feeling like a someone.
As big as you can go. All the way to the side of your screen.
The hot sun, feeling like a someone, someone, someone.
Diane. Brilliant. Tipyn bach mwy o ddŵr. And as it was such a hit last week on Tuesday, I've included a favourite song of, I know many people who do the Borough dance here. Yeah. gyfio. Coes arall? Beth am gyfio i'r ochr? And how can you box, like you're in a box, can you push out all those sides, even behind? Diolchi. Do you think that's a good go that tries? Can you push with your feet? A man dyna, allai di wneud hynna ar y llawr. Gyfio! Gyfio! Ac eto! Gyfio! A'r breic hefyd? Dau lan i'r traed. Kick ymlaen at i'r cefn. Swapio'r goesau. Kick, 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 neck. Kick, 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 neck. Da iawn! Brich y mas a big whoosh. Un mwy. Just the orphan. Da iawn chi bore 'ma. I think after all that hard work, we deserve to have a nice little stretch now. So we'll have a tiny bit more dŵr. Just tipyn bach. Rhan hoffi, just cymryd amser I eistedd yn llonydd, take some time to sit nice and still. Ac yn adlun ddwfn. Os ydych yn teimlo'n dda, gallwch trio cloi y llygaid. You can try closing the eyes if it feels okay. A rhowch eich dwylo ar eich chest. The ddau o nhw. Resting your hands on your chest. 2 hands. And notice your chest lift as you breathe in. And it falls as you breathe out. Is that rise and fall? Falle gallwch chi teimlo eich Calon and Kira. Heart beating. Agorau llygad. Ti'n mynd i'r mestyn heddiw. Dod â'ch breichiau coesau mewn rhywun. Cwtch bach i chi. Agor yn dal. Ac yn down. Beth am yn lledan? Waed? Like a spider, walking those hands all the way to the other side, keeping your back as tall as possible. Coesau off line. Reach for those toes. Take a deep breath in. And the breath out, see if you can get closer to the floor. Get up. Nice. Un mwy. Reach further than those toes. Da iawn. Ac i orffen. Gorwedd lawr fel seren ar y llawr, lying down in that star shape on the floor. And we're going to squeeze all our muscles. So whilst you're lying down, can you squeeze? Can you tense those muscles like you're the Hulk? Give them a squeeze, and then let go. And lock you. Relax. One more like that. Squeeze everything, or even your eyebrow muscles. Ymlac here. And I'm gadael chi fan'na am heddiw. I'm going to leave you there. And I'm going to say goodbye. Da iawn i chi am dawnsio heddiw gyda fi. Well done for all this dancing with me. I'm really happy to have you all join me on a Tuesday and Thursday. And have a good day. See you next Tuesday. Hwyl.